Good morning, everyone. Today I'm exploring something special. I just found this beautiful place. Let's explore. You're exploring without me? Let's go together. Where are we heading? Somewhere interesting. This coffee stand is a good start. Wow, this place looks amazing. Adventure just started. I love exploring. Me too. Bro, look at these buildings. Yeah, they're massive. So cool. We're so lucky to be here. Look at this view, man. It's incredible. Yeah, it's unreal. Better than the photos. I know, right? We have to get a picture. I didn't know this place. That's exploring. We've walked too much. Adventure continues. Perfect for pictures. Let's capture it. The view is amazing. Definitely. Best moment of the day. Worth it. Follow and subscribe for more adventures. Yeah, don't miss out.